Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The Ultimus oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro rise 0.3% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound gain 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Oil futures fell more than $1 a barrel as expectations rose the US and Venezuela could soon reach a deal easing sanctions on Venezuelan crude exports, while traders said the Israel-Hamas conflict did not appear to threaten oil supplies in the short term. Binance will suspend access to its crypto exchange for new users based in the UK after a partnership with a third party to approve communications on its platform under new local rules was terminated by the country's watchdog. Microsoft-owned LinkedIn announced that it cut almost 700 employees, with most coming from the engineering organization. Cuts also came in the company's finance and human resources groups.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's tertiary industry index at 0430 GMT. The US industrial production will be released at 13:15 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The Eurozone's ZEW survey economic sentiment at 0900 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.